Did you know that foxes are members of the dog family? A female fox is called a vixen. A male fox is called a dog fox or tot, and baby foxes are called pups, kits or cubs. A group of foxes is called a skulk or a leash. Frog. Did you know that you will find frogs on every continent except Antarctica? Frogs commonly can jump 20 times higher than their height. There are frogs in every rainbow color available in the world, though most of except green can prove. Despite drinking water from their mouth, frogs drink water from their skin. While eating, frogs cannot keep their eyes open. Pedophrine amanuensis, the tiniest frog in the world, sizes no more than a housefly. A golden poison dart frog produces 1 gram of toxin from its skin, killing nearly 10,000 people. Frogs shed their skin once a week and usually eat it. Turtles. Interesting facts about turtles. Turtles are omnivores. They eat fruit, plants, insects, and other animals. Some turtles even eat poisonous jellyfish. Sea turtles return to the same place every 2 or 3 years to lay their eggs. They migrate thousands of miles. Grasshopper. Fun grasshopper facts. Grasshoppers don't have ears on their heads, they have ears on their bellies. There are over 10,000 different species of grasshoppers. When picked up, grasshoppers spit a brown liquid to defend themselves. You may have noticed that the grasshopper habitat is a similar color to grasshoppers themselves. This is because grasshoppers like to camouflage into their environments. This helps them to avoid being detected by predators. Grasshoppers make music by rubbing their legs with their wing. Grasshoppers are so called because they can jump to impressive heights. Grasshoppers can jump up to 200 times their own size, typically around 20 feet. Butterfly. Did you know that butterflies and moths are part of the same group of insects, known as Lepidoptera? To tell them apart, butterflies fly in bright sunshine, while moths are most active at night. The life cycle of a butterfly is in 4 stages: egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult butterfly. Most butterflies don't live very long. The Priam's birdwing butterfly only lives for 10 days. Butterflies have 4 wings, not 2 as you may think. Snail. Facts about snails. They are the world's slowest animals, moving about 0.50.8 inches per second. But do you know they can cover 1 kilometer in almost a week, provided that if they don't stop? Snails are one-of-a-kind creatures found in various environments, including deserts, ditches, and frigid climates. Snails and slugs belong to the same category as squids, oysters, and clams, soft-bodied animals. However, compared to slug, snails have shells. Bee. Did you know that bees have 5 eyes and 6 legs? They also have 4 wings divided into 2 pairs. There are more than 20,000 species of bee in the world. In the UK alone, there are more than 250 species of bee, including the bumblebee, honeybee, and mining bee. Once a honeybee has stung someone, its stinger and other body parts are left behind, which kills the bee. When it dies, it also releases a pheromone smell that alerts other bees in its colony of danger. Bees feed on the nectar contained in the flowers of plants. Whilst they're feeding on nectar, some of the pollen in the plant sticks to their bodies. When the bee travels to the next flower to feed some more, they deposit the pollen that's attached to them. This process allows fruits and vegetables to grow. Mouse. Fun facts about mice. Even though they are small enough to squeeze through a space as small as a dime, mice have big appetites and eat between 15 and 20 times a day. Deer mice eat insects like beetles and caterpillars. A typical house mouse makes 40 to 100 poop droppings per day. Female mice can have babies when they are just 2 months old. Female mice can have up to 12 babies every 3 weeks. That's 150 babies a year. Mice can jump a whole foot high in the air. They are great swimmers. They typically enter homes to get out of the cold and to find food and water. More than 21 million homes a year get infested with mice or other rodents. When mice are safe from animals that eat them, also known as predators, they can live up to 2 years. Common predators include cats, snakes, foxes, and birds of prey like hawks and owls.